Good evening, everyone. My name is Manish Kulkarni. My father-in-law lost his eye at the age of 50 because he had a retinal disease that was not diagnosed on time. He could not enjoy his life, and I felt sorry for him. I have a strong background in medical imaging and machine learning, and I thought I should do something about this. That inspired me to start Nether Systems so that we can detect blindness early using optical imaging and machine learning. And he's not alone. 1.3 billion people are suffering from eye diseases. It is costing us $3 trillion a year. It's a huge problem. That's because it is difficult to detect blindness early. Existing devices make a diagnosis based on symptoms. It's too late. The retina is already damaged. Moreover, these devices show poor quality images. Doctors have to inject a toxic dye so that they can get some contrast. The patients end up losing their eyesight. With our systems, doctors would be able to image cells and blood vessels without a toxic dye, that to deep inside the retina. That's because we have 10 times more resolution than the existing players. This will help save the eyesight for the patients. Astronomers, when they try to image the stars in the sky, they get these blurry images. That's because of the atmosphere around us. They use adaptive optics so that we can get these stellar images. We have figured out how to use the technology for retinal imaging and improve the resolution by a factor of 10. And we have 12 patents on this technology. We have a platform that learns on the patients and the rich data acquired using our devices. We have our own deep learning algorithms. And it will help us reach billions of patients because there's a huge shortage of ophthalmologists in this world. This would improve the quality of life for the patients dramatically. And it would reduce their healthcare burden by a factor of 30. Ours is the most advanced imaging platform on the market. It has access to rich data and the machine learning algorithms. It would be able to make early diagnosis. And the scientists are thrilled. They are already buying our devices. We have revenue worth $400,000 and $2 million orders in pipeline. We don't need FDA clearance for this market. The scientific leaders are eager to pay a premium so that they can publish the results. And their publications lead to new customers. We are distributors that will help us reach thousands of doctors. After FDA clearance, we'll start selling to doctors and hospitals. We will work with distributors. We will also have recurring SaaS revenue and 80% gross margin. We're likely to have more than $100 million revenue and become a technology leader. That's because our team has deep domain expertise. We have built and sold product worth $500 million. We have dozens of patents and publications. And we are raising $2 million so that we can protect our IP, get FDA clearance, and sell $2 million worth devices. It's a very active M&A space. Companies are getting acquired for hundreds of millions of dollars. Nikon just acquired a company for $400 million. But what's important is 1 in 6 people are suffering from eye diseases. If your loved ones are at risk, we are here to help you. We invite you to join Fight Against Blindness. And by the way, our table is right next to the drinks, so please come and talk to me.